La da dee da do day do, la da dee da do day do. La da dee da do day do, la da dee da do day do. Good morning, Mama Nature. Good morning, Mama Nature. Good morning, Mama Nature. Good morning, Mama Nature. I woke up in the morning light, feel your glory shining bright. Good morning, Mama Nature. Today you bring out sunshine, not a single rain cloud is up in the sky. Good morning, Mama Nature. Heard it on the radio, all the way down in Tobago. The rain was falling all over Jah region. When Jah doing His cleansing, I can't complain about my sorrows. So I just have one and chant two songs and leave it up till tomorrow. When I woke up in the morning light, feel Jah glory shining bright. Good morning, Mama Nature. Today you bring out sunshine, not a single rain cloud is up in the sky. Good morning, Mama Nature. Yesterday the rain came and washed away my garden. I was feeling so dismayed, but the little food I was planting, well, it's been raining for weeks and weeks, but it feel like forever. All I wanted was a little sunshine, so I could start all over. And I woke up in the morning sunlight, and that's just Jah way of saying everything is gonna be alright. Tomorrow the rain will come again, and bless I with water in the morning with Mama Nature. So I say good morning, Mama Nature. Good morning, Mama Nature. Good morning, Mama Nature. Good morning, Mama Nature. La da dee da do day do, la da dee da do day do. La da dee da do day do, la da dee da do day do. Woke up in the morning light, feel Jah glory shining bright. Good morning, Mama Nature. Today you bring out sunshine, not a single rain cloud is up in the sky. Good morning, Mama Nature. Under the moonlight, Jah is love and love is light. The sun will come, Jah love not done, and everything is gonna be alright. Under the moonlight, morning bringing dark to light. I see the birds them coming round the mountain sky. I can see them coming with the sunlight. La da dee da do day do, la da dee da do day do.